Hey guys, Forex Capital here. Let's take a look and see what XLM is doing today. So looking at the daily chart, I mentioned this was in play, this not double bottom, I mean inverted head and shoulders, and even though that right at this particular moment RSI looks bearish, this candle from yesterday looks bearish, and we're pulling back. I am still bullish this pair. Still bullish. I mean, Ethereum is pulverizing Bitcoin. I did check a few minutes ago, so it's not quite the case, but we gotta wait and see what happens today. And even though this made a lower low, we're still bullish. I mean, we can definitely see a pullback all the way to the neckline. That puts us at about 0.088. So we could see that. However, even though that we could see that, as long as we stay above that neckline, dude, we're still in good shape. I mean, target overall is 14 cents, and if we hit the 14-cent target and we hold on the 23% retracement, then now we're going to 19 cents. So we have quite a bit to go in making some money of this. And where I'm coming up with that is I'm going all the way back to May 1st of 2018. From that swing high to March 13 swing low. So that's where this 23% retracement, the 13-cent mark, it's coming up at. So we are still in good shape, even though that this is looking somewhat bearish right now. I don't think there's much to be concerned. You got, like I said, Ethereum continues to outperform Bitcoin, so there's not much to be concerned about, unless some way somehow it starts pulling back, and then that's a different story. By the way, guys, if you guys liked the video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button, because that's the only way you guys are gonna help the channel out to reach 7 billion people. We want to make sure we train everyone in the crypto market so they can make money like you're making money in the crypto market. So that being said, if you guys getting anything useful out of the video, send one friend to the channel. That way they can make money like you're making money in the markets too. So we're still bullish. Nothing has changed unless we break below this neckline. And that puts us at 0.0888. If we break below that, and then we're in trouble, and then I'm ejecting. I'll cash out, of what I made, and then eject. If we pull all the way back, I might actually add a little bit more to this position, because this, like I said, this looks pretty bullish, and then as long as all the other alts like Ethereum continues to be breaking higher, then this will break higher. I mean, ultimately we have a long way to go on XLM. So what I would like to see is, or even holding just this 20-day moving average and break higher. I definitely, on the next swing high, I definitely want to make sure we take out the previous high, because then if we just start going all choppy and we don't break a new high, then the RSI will get more bearish, and we can definitely see a bigger pullback, because a lot of times, even though that RSI is looking like it's not going to do anything, it could rally. I mean, it could continue rallying for a little while. Just a good example is here we had this pullback, and then bam. So just because it's coming down doesn't mean that it will have one last ride. And if let's just kind of move this fibs a little bit. Instead of going that high, we're going to go all the way back to May 16 of 2019. So if we go to the May 16, then we're going from that swing high to the March 13 of 2020 low. We are holding above a 50% retracement. So 0.0947, so which is always good, and it's also the 20-day moving average holding right then. So ultimately, I wouldn't want to put any position right now. I feel like risk reward is not quite there. So if you didn't get long, then I would just wait for a bigger pullback or wait for this pattern to be completed and then a pullback, or definitely a pullback to the neckline. I just don't think we're quite all there yet. Or, I mean, you could just do here, stop loss in the previous high, the previous low. Right now it looks decent. This is typically, I feel like you're in the middle of the trend, I wouldn't do this, but this one we're all biased, and then I'm biased that this is going to go higher unless the trend tells me otherwise. So risk to reward definitely checks out, even if you go very conservative. If you were just to place stop, yeah. If you do the previous low, or even if you go all the way to the neckline, even all the way to the neckline, your risk to reward is 3.78. So if you want to place a small position, just kind of get your feet wet. Now is the time, because your risk to reward, even if you put your stop loss right below 0.088 or so, if you were just to place a position right now, it's 3.78 to 1, which is amazing. Just remember, risk to reward in this is essential. If your risk to reward sucks, you're never gonna make it. You have to have the accuracy of a sniper and the rhythm of a chess player if you ever want to make it in the market. So that being said, guys, we're also trying to narrow down how often we're gonna post the videos. So just leave down in the comments below how often you guys want to see them. In our private chat, we're posting every day. So we're just kind of toying around with all that. If you guys liked the video, hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to pulverize that like button. Thanks again, guys.